Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. My name is Zeki, this is Getting Rich, and today I will tell you about Neobux. It's a PTC site, a pay-to-click site. So what you need to do is you click on view advertisement, and all you need to do is click on this, and then you'll get like this orange thing that goes all the way around, and yeah, you'll have made money by then. All I need to show you is well, you could make money from this. It's not a lot at the beginning because you start out with pennies and eventually you get to dollars, and eventually you'll get to tens of dollars, hundreds of dollars, and eventually thousands of dollars, which you can make with this site. If you got a patience for this and you want to make a lot of money, you'll get there. Right now, all of this, what you need to do to make a lot of money is referrals. So right here I got rented referrals, 128 rented referrals. What you need to do is click on that and you'll see all your referrals. So right now my referrals are not a lot. They should click. You got like referrals who are green, orange and red. Do I have some white referrals? Also some white referrals. Because that being said, it's a bit hard to understand, but those red referrals haven't clicked as much as they actually should. Those orange referrals clicked just good, and these green referrals clicked very good. You can see them their averages, but we'll talk about it in a little while. Of course, I'll make updates on this. How you get referrals is by buying referrals. Referrals, you could buy them for as low as 60 cents. Alright, so 60 cents, it's not a lot, but when you start out, it is. So, because you will get with these advertisements, advertisements, you get like 0.001 cent, and that's a thousandth of a dollar actually. So you need to click 1,000 advertisements like this every day to get to $1. Alright, with that being said, how you could make money too is by doing surveys. To me, I don't know why, but only the CPX surveys work. Poolfish doesn't work for me, so I don't do those. I only do CPX researches. And yeah, I only pay for referrals every single time. How many referrals I bought? It was like 128, exactly like it's in here. I have spent $114 on this, and through surveys I made $74. You know, it's not a lot, I know that. Right now I'm making like, let's see, 148. Every referral gives you 0.005 cent if they click. Yesterday my clicks were 148, so 148 0.005 times 148, I made 74 cents out of this yesterday. Well, 74 cents doesn't seem like a lot. Of course, I understand that, everyone can understand that, but if you go like to where is it, to the forum, and you see someone's stats, let's check this one. He has 4,300 rented referrals. Alright, I'm a little man, yeah. he has earned $41. $41 just by one day of work. Not even work, it's just earned to date for $41.64, $41.86. That's a lot. 15.4, 14.4, 13.4. Yep, this is by day. His own clicks were 7,731. Yep, and he's making 40 bucks every single day. By making 40 bucks every single day, let's see that times 30. That's $1,200. That's a full-time income for somebody, like for real. If you're a minimum wage, you're working like this, you're getting like 1,200 bucks. I know some people at McDonald's, they work for $10 or something an hour, and they're getting like 1,200 a month. Honestly, it's a lot. And that is just by clicking sometimes, you know, clicking, and that's it. All you need to do is just click these advertisements, rent, referrals. Eventually, well, he has like 4,300 referrals. 43 times 20. He has spent 860 bucks. Yeah. Times 20. Yeah, he has spent almost $1,000 to make 40 bucks a day. So yeah, if you want to do that, if you have $1,000 somewhere stacked up, you could do that. Just click on the link down below. I'll fix it for you. You get to sign up in here. It's free, and you can start making money. Just click. All you need to have is a PC or a laptop. It doesn't matter, and you just need to click these advertisements a day, and eventually you will get there. If you stay consistent, if you do whatever you need to do, it's not that hard. It's easy, very easy. And that's it. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope you subscribe, because I'm definitely going to make an update video out on this. You know, show my stats if you need to, if you want to. Right now my stats are direct purchases. $114. 15 almost is what I've spent on my own pocket. Well, actually not. I had surveys. $74 is what I spent with surveys. So I made these surveys, and eventually I got $74 on surveys. Did a lot of them. I started at March 26, 2022. Right now it's 29th of May 2022. So yeah. And yeah, I started renting referrals, and these referrals are all working for me, because like today I made, how much did I say? Times 0.0.5, 74 cents. But my peak was like 20th of May. That was 9 days ago. 205 clicks. 205 times 0.005, $1. So I could say like I'm making $6 a week from this, that I'm spending back in this site to make more money. Alright, that's the whole point of this. And if you need help, you can always message me, a comment, you know, whatever you're happy about. And that's it. Have a nice day, and click on the link below if you want to start out. That's it. Subscribe. Have a nice day.